How to make a bonsai at home? First of all, prepare pot and plant. This is an oval pot. It costs about $8. This plant is about 3 years old. Its name is June Snow. When we make a plant like this one, Step 1. Changing pot. Remove the original soil from the pot. Please do it gently and carefully. Otherwise, we may hurt the root. This plant has very long roots, so we can cut short. We can cut off the root here. Next, put some new soil in pot. The bottom needs to be covered fully. Then choose a side which you think is the best as a front side. Put more soil into the pot to cover the root, and make sure the soil is evenly. Try to press out the soil and make the plant is stable. If you still can see some root here outside, cut it off. When we make a bonsai like this one, we can change the June Snow into asparagus fern. The whole process is the same. Asparagus fern is also a very good material to make bonsai. Meanwhile, if you like rocks, you can put on some tiny rocks to decorate it. It will look more natural and interesting. And also, we can put on some moss. Moss is very easy to find in some moist and shady places. We don't need too much, just 2 or 3 pieces is enough. With moss on it, the whole bonsai looks more artistic and natural. Step 2. Watering. The first time to water it, we must water it enough water. How much is enough? When you see the clean water come out of the bottom of the pot, that's enough. Step 3. Cutting. When we cut, we should know what kind of twig shouldn't keep. There are dead twiggers, sick twiggers, suck twiggers, petal twiggers, cross twiggers, etc. Now I'm gonna to get a try. I don't like to dance. There is no fixed style for cutting. We can just follow your taste to cut it. When you think it's beautiful, it is beautiful. Just do it as you like. Finally, we finished it. It takes about 40 minutes. From changing pot to watering to cutting. Something else to note. Bonsai needs good cares. As you know, every plant needs air, sunshine, and water. Well ventilated. Enough sunshine, often water. And kind care, a bonsai which you make can accompany with you for a lifelong time.